Story time on how we couldn't for the life of us create a marshmallow filling that would actually survive the microwave, and how we took a cookie like that and with copious MacGyvering turned it into this. Okay, so to give you some background, I own a cookie business and we specialize in stuffed gourmet cookies. We launched our first s'mores cookie back in 2019 and we've brought it back every summer since with some minor improvements. Now, obviously, when you think of s'mores, you think of marshmallow, so we did the logical thing and stuffed it with marshmallow. That was our first mistake. For those of you who have ever heated up a marshmallow in the microwave, you know that they expand like crazy. So basically what would happen is if the cookie survived the oven and didn't explode in the oven, whenever the customer would take it home and reheat it at home, it would explode and it would just be a mess, and the marshmallow filling was truly pathetic. Now, we couldn't have that for our cookies because you're ordering a stuffed cookie, it should be stuffed with something, you know? So we took to the internet, and after doing lots of research and really hitting up r/baking on Reddit, we found that using marshmallow fluff would potentially work. And that was a whole different beast. Follow for part 2.